Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to continue from where we stopped on the number line. So today we want to look at addition and subtraction of number directed numbers. Now, so as I've told you earlier on, we have two types of number lines. We have horizontal number line and a vertical number line. So let's start with the horizontal number line. Now, these are the rules we're going to follow to add and or subtract directed numbers. So the first one is that when you are adding, start from the first number. Any number you're given, start from the first number, then count right along the number line. Then you stop at the number. So we understand that. And when you are subtracting, start from the first number and count what? Left. You count left when you are subtracting, you count right when you are what? Adding. So let's look at these examples that we have here. So use number line to find the value of the following. So we have the first one to solve this, the first one here. So the first one, so we have 3 plus 4. How do we do this? So let's draw a number line. When you draw a number line, this is our number line here, right? So the first number we have here is 3. What you notice that everything here is positive. So we can bring 0 to this side, right? So we don't have any negative here. So let's have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You will notice that we have equal space between the numbers. Not that you write 1 here, you're not going to write 2 here, you write 3 here. No. So you are not using the good scale in that aspect. Now, what is the first number here? The first number we have here is what? Is what? 3. So we go to 3. So which means we are starting on 3. Right start so that I don't make mistake. We right start on 3, then plus 4. That is, we are going to count 4 to the right. So look at what, when adding, start from the first number, count right along the number line. So we're now going to count how many? 4. So we count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which means we stop here. So where we stop is our what? Answer. So which means this will give us what? Plus 7. I hope this is very clear. Alright, so that is that on that one. Then for question number 2, we have minus 4, minus 3. So we also draw a number line. You draw a number line. So these are number lines. So you can see this is negative minus 4. So which means we are starting from where? From minus 4. So let's have a negative to the 0 to come to this side, because we're going to have more of negative numbers. Because this one is also negative, so we are coming to this place. So this is going to be 0, 1, and then what? 2. So this will be what? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. It can continue like that. So where are we starting from now? The first number. When subtracting, start from the first number. So what's the first number here? Minus 4. Minus 3. That is, we now move to the left. How many times? 3 times. So we go to the 4. So we start here. Right? Then we count what? How many to the left? We count 3. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3. So we stop at this place. So that gives the answer is going to be what? Minus 7. I hope this is very clear. Alright. So for question number 3, we have minus 9 plus 12. So number 3, minus 9 plus 12. So draw a number line again. Now, the first number we have there is -9. It must feature here. So in that case, so let's put our negative number somewhere, 0 somewhere here. So we can have 1 here, we can have 2 here, we can have 3 here. Let's have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. So it's okay this way. So we start with the first number, and what? This is plus. We are adding. So we count to the right. How many times? 12. So we start from here. So put start here so that we don't make mistake. So you now count 12 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we stop at what? 3. Right. So that means the answer is what? Plus 3. I hope this is very clear. Right. That's how to do that. Therefore, question number 4, we have -6 plus 2. -6 plus 2. Almost the same thing that we have there. So we can have 0 here, 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So we start from what? -6. That is the first number. So we count how many to the left, to the right, because it is plus. So we count 1, 2. So which means we stop here. So the answer is called what? -4. -4. I hope this is very clear. So let's look at let's look at, this is for horizontal number line. Let's now look at vertical number line. How do we do that? So in the case of vertical number line, so that's when we talk about temperature, right? So when adding, it's going to be vertical, right? So when adding, start from the first number and then count up. And the same thing when you are subtracting, start from the first number and count what? Down. So let's now look at examples. So use a vertical number line to find the temperature difference between these. So what look at the difference between negative 3 degrees Celsius and 7 degrees what? Celsius and this one. So what we're going to do, the first thing is we draw a vertical number line for this. So solutions now. So we draw this. That is for A. Now, the two numbers must feature here, right? So we have, let's say 0 here. We have -3 here. Sorry. We have -1, -2, -3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So this is degree, 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 degree. Right. So we want to see the difference between this from here to here. So we start from here, we start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the difference between them is what? 10. So that means that temperature difference between -3 degrees Celsius and 7 degrees Celsius is what? Is 10. So that's temperature difference between the two. For B, so we do the same thing. We do the same thing here. So here we have not added, we have not subtracted. So this is just preliminary here. So we have minus, we have minus. So between -4 and -10. So we have 0 here. Let's put, because both of them are negative, let's put the negative 0 here. So we have -1. Let's go up. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. So we are considering 4 and 10. So this is 4 and this is 10. So let's count what we have there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So temperature difference is what? Is 6 degrees Celsius. Right? So that's different between the two. So let's now look at addition and subtraction under this case and see how we're going to solve that. So this is example 2. So use vertical number line to find the temperature when the first one is minus 4 degrees Celsius, rise is by what? 8 degrees Celsius. So this is rise is increasing. So while this one is what? Is decreasing. So how do we do that? Very simple. So what you're going to do is draw a number line, vertical number line. Right? So let's draw its solutions. We have this. That's for the first one. So from minus 4 is rises, right? So let's have a negative 0 from this place. We have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and then minus 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't matter, you can stop at anywhere you have. So the first number here we start. So start from the first number. So the first number here is minus 4. We start here. Start. Right? Now, because it's increasing, so when adding, it's increasing, we count up by how many times? 8. So we start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which means the answer will be what? Equals to what? 4 degrees Celsius. I hope that is very clear. So for the second part, which is B aspect here. So we have, now from here, you can see it's negative. It's falling, we are going down. So which means we have more negative numbers here. So this is 0, we have 1, we have 2. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, let's say minus. Let's stop at this one, right? So we start from the first number, which is what? Minus 2. So we start. Then we count how many down? 4. So we have 1, 2, 3. You can see that we still need what? More. So you have to write it. Minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So we have started 1, 2, 3, 4. So we stop at what? 4. Stop. So what do we have there? Minus 6. So which means it is going to go negative 6 degrees Celsius. I hope this is very clear. So if this is very clear to you, this is where we're going to stop here. So in the next video, we're going to look at how to do without using number line. So we're going to look at some rules of addition and subtraction of directed number without making use of the number lines. So that is what we're looking at in the next video. So this is where we're going to stop in this class. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to give us a very big thumb up. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on your notification bell. So anytime I release video like this, you'll be the first to get notification of it and benefit from it. And you can as well share this video with your loved ones, your family, your classmates, and whoever you think that this video will benefit. So we are going to see in our next class. Bye for now.